Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the chemistry topic matters in our surroundings for NCERT, which is first topic, and for 8th standard for CBSE, which is 7th chapter. Today we are going to discuss about that previous knowledge about matters. Already we know that matters, what you mean by matters and classification of matters. Matters can be classified on the basis of physical property and chemical property. But in this first topic we discuss about only the physical properties. Come, let us move what you mean by matter. Now we will discuss about definition of matter. In the universe which has mass and occupies some space is called matter. Here it may be matters, may be living things or non-living things. Here once again the definitions. Everything in the universe, from air we breathe and food we eat, to stone, clouds, plants and water drops, is made up of materials called matter. So now matter means which has a mass and occupies some space is called matter. Matter, it may be living things or non-living things. And again that previous ancient philosopher, according to that ancient philosophers, that matters can be classified into 5 elements we called Pancha Tattvas, that is air, water, fire, sky and earth. That all matters can be contains that 5 elements. And by modern philosophers classified matters as 2 types, physical property and chemical properties. For the physical property, matters can be classified into again 3 types, solid, liquid and gases. For higher standard we learn about the 4th state of matter and also 5th state of matter. So before going to that physical properties, here that all living things and non-living things belongs to matter. If you consider the kind, hate, love, so these all belongs to matter or not. Here that kind, love and smell, these all belongs to that not a matter, because which don't have a mass and don't occupy the any space, which are the feelings. We will see the physical property in next video. Thank you.